Hello world, this is Taha and this video is for Cs50P project, and today I'm going to show you my to-do list program. Okay, let's get started. Okay, here you can see there is a box that you can add your item or your title. For example, here I write my name. There is 3 buttons here that allows you to add item, make item done, and also let me add 3 more. For example, Python, Cs50P, and also my last name. Okay, you can see here there is a history list that any action that you're doing at the moment, push here and you can see them. For example, I want to make Cs50 done. I don't know, I want to remove them, and here you can see all logs here. It has light mode and dark mode, and let me give you some explanation from code. It has 4 classes. First one, my box, that it has light mode and dark mode. Let me give you some intro from here. Any action that you do, for example, these logs are here written by history list data.csv, and also any item that is here is in this JSON file. And imagine you close this program and after a week you open it again and all files are saved and load again, and you can manage them again. Thank you, goodbye, and have a good time.